Alex thought he had spending under control. It was never the big purchases. It was the small ones. A delivery order here, a subscription there, a quick coffee, a random Amazon cart. Each one looked harmless, but Alex kept putting them on a credit card. At first, nothing felt wrong. The payments were small. The card still worked. Life kept moving. Then one month, Alex looked at the statement and froze. The balance was higher than he expected. Not by a little, by enough to make him uncomfortable. He told himself the same thing millions of people tell themselves. I'll just pay the minimum this month. That sounded safe, but the minimum payment barely touched the debt. Interest kept growing, and every new small charge kept the trap alive. Alex didn't notice it at first because debt doesn't always explode loudly. Sometimes it grows quietly. That's what makes it dangerous. 1 month becomes 3 months. 3 months becomes a year, and suddenly a few small purchases have turned into a problem that feels impossible to escape. So Alex finally stopped and asked the real question. Where is my money actually going? He checked the statement. He found the pattern. It wasn't one giant mistake. It was a bunch of small decisions repeating again and again. That was the moment everything changed. Alex started with one rule. If he could not pay for it without stress, he would not swipe the card. Then he cut the subscriptions he didn't use. Then he stopped treating minimum payments like a solution. Then he started building a simple cash buffer, so the card was not his backup plan anymore. Slowly, the balance started going down, and the stress started going down with it. That's the real lesson. Credit card debt usually does not come from one huge disaster. It comes from small spending that feels too harmless to matter. If you catch the pattern early, you can stop it before it grows. And if you're already there, the fix starts the same way. Look at the statement, find the leaks, and break the habit that keeps repeating. Alex learned that the hard way. You don't have to.